Hey guys, what is up? So today we're doing a video. I see it. So we're going to the train, everybody, and then okay, the train's like right, really near us. And so there it is. Yep, there it is. So now we're gonna get in. Yay! Here it is! Here it is! Here it is. And now we're gonna get in there. Woo! Whoa, this, I can see from the windows, this train has a lot of people. No person got out. We're gonna get in. I don't know what it says. Where? Oh, right here. Now we're gonna look at a view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Now look at this view. That's the view of where we were. Somebody skipped something which I think she shouldn't have done. Yeah, this is in a secret room. Yeah, now we're going to Lisbon. Lisbon, Portugal. And I don't know what type of place in Lisbon we're going, but first we're going to Caixudre, and then we're gonna get to the we're gonna go underground and get the underground train. I don't know how to say it in English. So yeah. When we get there, oh, this view is nice. Look over there. That view is nice. Right, guys? Right? Don't you think? Ooh. It's nice. It's a nice view. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, this is loud. I love it. I like these leaves. This is so nice and it's a gem. It's literally like so beautiful. I love all the nature and stuff. Okay, so we're in a railway station. In Caixudre, which belongs to Lisbon, snap. Okay, guys, no, that's gonna take a long time, so yeah, no, the video's gonna end by itself, so I can't do that. So yeah, we're gonna just what? Okay. Well, it's a good one. Oh, this view is nice, man. Look at all the nature. Look at all the nature. It's pretty good. Look at all the spray paint that's in here. Bro, there's a lot of spray paint in here. Okay, we're in Santo Amaro de Herreras. I can see it right there. It's on the sign right there. So. In the Marginal, I think. Or near the Marginal. Near it. At least we're near the Marginal. Because, oh dude, I could have showed you guys those purple flowers, man. Those are nice. Yeah, so guys, look where we are. Like, woody dookity dookily. Well, why is everything blue? Okay, now it's not. Oh, that building is nice. Look at that. Continent. Oh, that's a good roundabout. Nice roundabout. Oh, what? Dude, that building was so cool. Dude, that building was so cool. Agora até chegarmos a Lisboa ou Caxias. Okay. And in like 20 minutes or something like that, we're gonna be in. So yeah, in like 20 minutes we're gonna be there, or something like that. So when oh, this is actually good. You kinda. Is that a what? That was literally a house with a church in it. Okay. That was weird, but this house. It's not a house, it's a building, and now I saw it clinic. Some purple right there, and it's some. Ooh, that's a good like thingy. Ooh. Yay! Paso de Arcos. Okay. We're in Paso de Arcos. See? It's written right there, Paso de Arcos. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's written Paso de Arcos. I'm looking at the camera and you guys can't see it, but it's literally right there, like there. I wasn't looking this time, but it was right there. So yeah, there is so Caixa Dre, okay. We're almost there. Estamos quase em Caixa Dre, está a dizer direção Caixa Dre. Okay. Ooh, that house is near nice. Ooh. What is hell? Oh, spray painted. Now let's see what's. Okay, this is going pretty fast. I hate this sound. Whoa, we're going so fast. Look at this zooming. We're zooming past everything. No, not. Oh, that house is nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. This is all nice, man. Look at. Oh, that house is nice. Some roses. Look at it. Oh my gosh, that house is big. Ooh, it's a lot of blue. That's a lot of blue. Ooh, a river. And now some nature. See, some nature. So, I don't know why, but I feel like I've dreamed of this once. No, what? The exact same thing that's happening right now. It's true. See my eyes? Let's go left, left, right, left, right. But it's going left, left, left. Agora quanto tempo falta? No, like 10 minutes. 15. Or something. 15 minutes. Are you serious right now? Oh, these buildings are nice. Sheesh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, the other view is so nice. There's a beach from the other side of the Tagus. Or Tagus, whatever you call it. Tagus River, obviously. Now, we're like, I don't know. Ooh, there's a bridge right here with good spray paint. What? This rock? That's a molded rock. God, that's so cool. Oh, that was some good spray paint right there. Why you wasted? Why you wasted? Don't do that. The world oh, you never stop. Don't die. The world didn't want it. Die. Cruz Quebrada. Já estamos em Lisboa. Isto é Cruz Quebrada. Cruz Quebrada pertence a Lisboa.
Vamos para Algés, que Algés ainda é hoje.
Ainda vamos para Algés? A sério? Oh, we're not yet in Lisbon, but we're near Lisbon. Something.
Olha como é que é.
Oh. Just come back to Amogus. I got the Preston merch right here. Yo, I love this merch. Literally rainbow fire. Rainbow fire. But I've got some. Amogus. Amogus. So. Whoa, what do you do? Look at this sticker. Songs about it and get to now I don't know what to do. Będę fotek tej zolić koła. Se calhar agora 10 minutos. Se calhar agora 10 minutos. Like right now we're gonna be like 10 minutes. We're in Algiers, I think. No, this is Kassai. You said Kassai. É que parecia Kassai. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Was it something? Okay. Yeah, those are just billboards for decoration. I don't think anybody's gonna go there. Maybe some people are. Snappy, snap, snaps. Snappy, 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 snap. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Nice. This is nice. This is nice. Nice. This is nice. Ooh, Benfica shirt. Let's go, Benfica. Okay, dude, that was not good. That was a baby crying, I think. Are you still in Algiers? We are still in Algiers. Are we almost not in Algiers? Almost?
Almost? In Lisbon? Yes.
Yes, we're almost in Lisbon. So when a bit snap. We're in Lisbon, but not yet in Caixotré. We're already in Lisbon because we just got to Belém, or whatever we call it. So yeah, okay. So yeah, we're in Belém. Just got here, and Belém already belongs to Lisbon. So we are in Portugal's capital city. Lisbon. Whoa! Did you see that yellow bus? I've gone there like once or twice, I don't know, in those buses. Bro, I love them. So yeah. What? I've came here. It's like Benfica, I think. This is already Benfica. I thought this was Benfica. Sim, mas estávamos na casa da avó. Mas estávamos na casa da avó por aqui.
Está bem, mas viemos de Benfica para aqui, mas isto é
Ah,
estamos lá em Alcântara.
now we're in Alcantara. So yeah, I'm a bippity snap. Oh yeah, dude, that's not what I was continuing for, but dude, look at that yellow building. Okay, yeah, I'm a bippity snap. We're in Cais de Sotre. Yay, I can see the station already. Finally, we're here. This was a long journey. See, Cais de Sotre. I like those. So yeah, now we're in Cais de Sotre, about to leave. And we officially left the train. So yeah, bye guys.